Morning, dear students. Today we will see our English second. Okay, here we have already learned about nouns. Okay, and nouns number also we have completed, nouns gender also we have completed, and today we will see nouns possession. Okay, that is on page 32. Let us see. Okay, here. See, nouns possession. Possessions means in Hindi we say adhikar. Okay, belonging. Okay, ownership. Okay, so possession is about the ownership of something. Okay, see here. That is, here we see the bag belonging to Shobha is on the table. Okay, and I went to the house of Abhi. Okay, this how we make the possession in adding with apostrophe s. Let us see here. First we saw the bag belonging to Shobha is on the table. Okay, here, and the same sentence by adding the apostrophe s. Okay, Shobha's apostrophe and s bag is on the table. Okay, and this says the ownership of the bag is Shobha. Okay, the same way I went to the house of Abhi. Okay, and I went to Abhi's house. Okay, apostrophe and s to make possession, right? So here in the second set of sentences about this is second set. Okay, we have used an apostrophe, this is apostrophe. Okay, apostrophe to indicate possession. Let us discuss the use of apostrophe as apostrophe. Okay, so students, in singular noun we add apostrophe s to show the possession of something. Okay, see here. Okay, these are singular noun and these are plural nouns. By adding s and apostrophe s, we make the ownership or the possession of something, right? See here, Rahul. Okay, Rahul, singular noun, and add apostrophe s to show possession. Okay, Rahul's, apostrophe and s, Rahul's. Okay, Mrs. Verma. Okay, Mrs. Verma, Mrs. Verma's, apostrophe s, Verma's. Okay, the house of Rahul, Rahul's house. Okay, the bag, Mrs. Verma. Okay, the bag of Mrs. Verma, Mrs. Verma's bag. Okay, and the second rule is that singular and plural nouns ending in, okay, any noun ending with s, what we add there? We add only apostrophe to show possession. Here we saw in singular noun we add apostrophe and s to make possession in singular noun, and in the other hand in plural noun, singular and plural noun where ends with s, okay, we add only apostrophe to show possession, right? Here we saw here there are no s in it. Okay, whereas ends with s, what we add? Only apostrophe to make possession, right? See here, the students, this is s plural noun. Okay, this is the students plural noun, so to make the possession of it only we added apostrophe, the students. Okay, there was already s was there, so we added only apostrophe to show possession, right? Same way, Mr. Das, this is Mr. Das singular noun. Okay, and already s is here. Okay, here we saw just before ending in s, what we add only apostrophe. So here das is ending with s, so we add only apostrophe, Mr. Das. Okay, the books of the students. Okay, plural noun. Okay, students, so s is already here, so what we need to add here? Only apostrophe. Okay, the students books. Okay, to make possession. Okay, the bag of Mr. Das. Okay, the bag of Mr. Das, Mr. Das bag. Okay, just before we saw when the ends with s we put only apostrophe to make possession. Right students, clear? I hope. Right, here for plural nouns, okay, this was one rule, ends with s then only we add apostrophe. And for plural nouns not ending in s, okay, plural nouns not ending with s, what we add? Apostrophe and s. Okay, here we need to remember a small thing or two things, right? That is, ending with s we need to put only apostrophe. For plural nouns not ending with s, what we add? Apostrophe and s, such as mice. ओके, माउस का प्लूरल है माइस, राइट? तो वहाँ पर हम क्या डालते हैं? बिकॉज देयर इज नो एस, सो वी एड अपोस्ट्रोफी एंड एस टू मेक पोसेशन, राइट? द मैन, ओके, मैन का प्लूरल हो गया मैन, सो हियर देयर इज नो एस, सो वी एडेड अपोस्ट्रोफी एंड एस. ओके, द टेल्स ऑफ द माइस, ओके, द माइसेस टेल्स, right? The hats of the men, okay, the men's hats. Okay students, here see, for non living objects, okay, जिसमें जीवन नहीं है, we usually do not use apostrophe s to show possession. okay, जिसमें जीवन नहीं है उसके लिए हम ये apostrophe s और ये possession के लिए हम यूज नहीं करते. ठीक है, वी यूज ओनली फॉर द लिविंग थिंग्स. ओके, सी हियर द हैंडल ऑफ द चेयर. ओके, हम यहाँ पर चेयर जो है जो नॉन लिविंग है, ओके, नॉट चेयर्स हैंडल हम नहीं बोलते बिकॉज दिस इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग. ओके, जिसमें जीवन नहीं है, वी नेवर से दिस, राइट? द हील ऑफ द शू. ओके, यहाँ पर भी शूज हील हम नहीं बोलते बिकॉज दिस इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, वी यूज ओनली टू शो द पोसेशन ऑफ लिविंग बीइंग. ओके, दैट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर. हियर सी द एग्जांपल्स. ओके, यूज अपोस्ट्रोफी इन द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स. यहाँ पर हमें अपोस्ट्रोफी एस करनी है. ओके, द सिस्टर्स ऑफ अमित, हमें इसे कैसे बनानी है? सी हियर, Amit's sister. We saw here the sister of Amit. तो हमें क्या करना है? Amit's sister. Okay, Amit then apostrophe s. Okay, Amit's sister. Right? Then the birthday of Mala. Okay, so here what we do? Mala's, then apostrophe s, then birthday, right? Mala's birthday. And the sari of my mother. Okay, तो यहाँ पर क्या करना है? Mother apostrophe s, sari. Okay, then here my hair, the hair of the baby. Okay, यहाँ पर क्या करना है? To make possession, to show possession, baby's hair. Okay, baby apostrophe s, hair. Okay, then the house of Mrs. Biswas. Okay, the house of Mrs. Biswas. तो यहाँ पर क्या है? Mrs. Biswas. यहाँ पर विश्वास में अपोस्ट्रोफी एस ऑलरेडी है, तो हमने सिर्फ क्या डालना है? अपोस्ट्रोफी, राइट? मिसेस विश्वास हाउस. ओके, सी The bag of the doctor. Okay, here doctor apostrophe s, bags. Okay, then here the trunks of the elephant. Okay, elephants, elephants already plural, so what we need to do, only put the apostrophe, right, apostrophe, and trunks. Okay students, then the tails of the cats. Okay, यहाँ पर क्या है, cats already plural, so only we added apostrophe and tails. Right students, hope clear. Then second, rewrite the following groups of words in plural form. Okay, plural form में हमें write करना है, ठीक. See here, the sheep's wool. Okay, यहाँ पर हमें क्या करना है, the sheep's wools. Okay, हमें किसको क्या बनाना है, rewrite the following groups of words in plural form. So we need to add apostrophe s and s, wools, right. And second, the bull's horn, the bull's horns. Okay, plural, we are making plural. Okay, then the baby's laughter. Okay, baby's laughter, how we make plural, the baby, we added ies. Okay, the baby's laughter. Okay, here s should come. Okay, right. Then the woman's bag. Okay, the woman's bag, what will become, the women's, okay, bags. Okay students, then here the ladies dress, how we make, the lady क्या हो जाएगा, plural, ladies dresses. Okay, the ladies dresses. Then the man's suitcase. Okay, what will become, the men's, man का plural क्या हो जाएगा, men's, and we add apostrophe s, suitcases. Okay students, hope clear. And see here, rewrite the following using apostrophe to show possession. Okay, the gifts for Sonam. Okay, यहाँ पर क्या है, the gift for Sonam. Okay, Sonam's apostrophe s, gift. Okay, then the helmet belonging to Sachin. Okay, Sachin's helmet. Okay, then the shop belonging to the grocer. Okay, the grocer's shop. Okay, for the office in which Mrs. Sharma's works. Okay, so here what will be, Mrs. Sharma apostrophe s, office, right. Then the lunch meant for Sonali. Okay, Sonali's apostrophe s, lunch. Okay, Sonali's lunch. Okay, the story written by Ruskin Bond. Okay, Ruskin's Bond story. Okay, Ruskin's Bond story. Okay students, and here we revise. We go with singular and plural nouns not ending in s to show possession or belonging. Okay, जो कोई words noun हो जो s से एंड नहीं होता है, उस पे हम अपोस्ट्रोफी एंड एस लगाकर पोसेशन दिखाते हैं, ठीक है. एंड I go with singular and plural nouns ending in s to show possession or belonging. Okay, जो भी noun हो, जो singular noun हो और या plural noun हो, any noun ends with s, उसको हम क्या डालते हैं, सिर्फ अपोस्ट्रोफी डालकर हम उसको पोसेशन बताते हैं, ठीक है। होप क्लियर, राइट। हैव ए गुड डे।